Sir? Sir, are you listening to me, sir? Sir, I'm talking to you. Sir, are you aware?
I'm freaking it out, 'cause I'm fucking trying to trust you, I was peeping it out. You turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her.
Luca. Bueno. Pinu. Bueno. Pinu. Bueno.
Watch the pumpkin. What? How'd you do that? Jackie, how'd you do that? How'd you do that?
Two pieces of bread. Get some peanut butter. Get some jelly. Open the peanut butter. Get a butter knife. Put the butter knife in the peanut butter. Take the butter knife out of the peanut butter.
You did it wrong. No. حسبي ربي جل الله 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 ما في قلبي غير الله الله الله.
How? 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 I don't know.
But that's simply not possible.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid bastard?
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
I mean, it's alright, like...
It's the biggest piece of dog shit. It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
It was perfect. Perfect.